So we have this Toyota Hybrid Highlander 2009 that we work on so many different things. This time, what I'm gonna show you, they complained that when you turn on the light, this and the second one works, but the third one by cargo, that doesn't work. So we're gonna check that the bulb and then we'll fix it. Also, see, this is yellow, this is white. They changed it, they didn't change the whole thing. We'll find out. Okay, let's turn this. If you put it on this off, it will turn them off. In the middle, it turns on with the door. This one is always on. So I'm gonna put it on the middle, means that when you open the door, it will open. Okay, so now I'm on the back, but I'm trying to go in the car so I can give you a better angle to show you what's going on. Okay, I think this is good. You just get this out. That's it. And then you get the bulb out, get a new bulb. So you can get the exact bulb was in there, but I have this, that I previously got from AliExpress or Temu, something like that, where I can put an LED in there. So that what I will be doing, this kind of like works, kind of, sizes, and this is adhesive. You can just put it there. So let's try, see if this actually works. Okay, now look at it. It works. All right. Okay, now that this is this way, as I said, it has an adhesive here on the back. I will pull up the adhesive and then stick it in here and then put this back in there. Okay, put it back. See, now it's on. And I found out if you put it this way, the button this way toward the driver's side, it works with the door, all three of them. If you put it this way, it's just making it on, like even if the door is not open, turning it on. So now I'm putting, keeping it on the driver's side, so whenever everything works, this one works. Look at this, all three of them works. Now I turn it off, see? If I make it with the door, they all works. Well guys, if that video helped you, please go ahead, subscribe to my channel. I will do more videos for specifically this car and other cars in my channel. If you have a question or something different that I did not cover, you can leave a comment and I'll try to help you as soon as I see it. Thank you for watching and enjoy the videos.